Troubleshooting printing issues after a Windows 11 update or upgrade. If you're unable to print or scan after a Windows 11 update or upgrade, follow these steps to get your HP printer connected and printing again. To begin, restart your computer at least once after updating Windows 11. This is because some updates require a restart to complete. To do this, click the Start button, click the power icon, and then select Restart. After your computer restarts, try printing a document again. Note: if your printer worked with Windows 10, it should continue to work with Windows 11. If restarting your computer did not resolve the issue, you can continue to troubleshoot with HP Print and Scan Doctor. Turn on the printer you want to troubleshoot. If you do not already have HP Print and Scan Doctor downloaded, open a Microsoft Edge browser window and go to support.hp.com, click Diagnostics, and then click Print and Scan Doctor. Click Download Print and Scan Doctor. If your computer displays an offline or printer offline status, select Yes when prompted to download a version of the app designed to resolve printer offline conditions. Otherwise, select No to download the latest standard version. Open the file to extract and run the app. If prompted, select Continue, Run, or Yes to allow changes to your computer. Select Accept to agree to the terms. Select Start to detect HP printers and scanners connected to your computer through a USB cable or network connection. All detected printers and scanners display. If you do not see your printer, click My Product is Not Listed to perform some basic troubleshooting to detect the printer or scanner. Select your printer and then select Next. The tool detects problems on the computer and connections that might prevent printing or scanning. Test results are displayed with icons. A check mark means your printer passed. A wrench means a problem was found and fixed. An exclamation mark means a test failed and was skipped. An X means the printer has a problem. Follow the instructions to fix it. Follow any on-screen troubleshooting prompts to fix the detected problems and resume printing or scanning. If the problem persists, uninstall and then reinstall the printer drivers and software. If the printer you want to uninstall software for is connected to your computer with a USB cable, disconnect the cable. On your computer, search for and open Add or Remove Programs. From the list of installed programs, locate and select your HP printer driver. If your printer name does not display, select the HP Smart app. Select Uninstall and then select Uninstall again. If prompted, select Yes to confirm removing the software. Follow any on-screen prompts to remove the software. Return to the Apps and Features list and repeat this process for any other entries that include your printer name. You can also remove any service plugins that were installed with your printer driver. To remove the printer from your computer, search for and open Printers and Scanners, and then select the name of your printer from the list. Click Remove and then click Yes. With all printer software uninstalled, restart the computer to finish removing the printer. Now it's time to download and reinstall the latest version of the full-featured printer software. Open a Microsoft Edge browser window and go to 123.hp.com. Enter your printer model in the search box. Then press Enter. Install the recommended setup option for your product and operating system. Follow any on-screen prompts to download and install the software for your printer. If you are still having printer issues after following these steps, try using System Restore. To do this, follow the recovery options for Windows 11 by going to support.microsoft.com and searching for System Restore. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.